Yeah, hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you are good. You are good. All right. So let's see what we've got today, and so we can go ahead. All right, that's cool. So yeah, today is Friday, and you guys know that I don't trade that kind of much on Fridays, right? So we're trying to see what we've got today. Um, all right. So yeah, hello, bro. How you doing, man? How you doing? Hope you good. That's cool. So yeah, I'm trying to check some things. I'm trying to share the links, right? Let me just share it so that they can join us as well. Though today we are not going to be trading that kind of much. We'll just see what we've got today and some stuff like that. Nothing much today, man. All right. So I just sent the links to our free Telegram channel and um, all right. So there we go. It's not there. So yeah, that's cool, man. That's cool. All right. So welcome everyone to today's live stream. Right. Today is Friday, the last day of trading. Right, for this week, not for the or not for everything, but for the week. All right. So here we go now, and this is Eurojep. Why I'm still in this trade, man. I'm still in it. Because this is where I'm going to be taking my profit, right? And like we do always, if you have any specific pair that you want me to analyze for you, just tag me, say, hey Israel, can you just check this particular pair for me? And I will do that as time goes on, right? That is the reason why I come up to live stream, so that you know I can just tackle some of the things that you are still having issues regarding them, right? So yeah, this is AUD card now, and it's still moving, but let's see how far can it continue to move, right? So ADCHF right now is still moving. One of my students just asked me about this ADCHF, right? He just asked of it, and you can see what ADCHF is doing at the moment. So ADCHF is still going to the upside right now. You see what is happening on this, right? But according to what I'm seeing here, it's making a lower loss, lower high, lower loss, lower high, trying to go back down to the downside, right? If you are seeing this, so what is going to happen is this: you put your trend line, let's just put it that way, then it will just come back down and touch this level. You see this? And this 1 hour time frame anyway, this 1 hour time frame, so it's not going to be a long time move. I'm just putting it on the 1 hour time frame, right? Yeah, so you see what is happening on this particular pair now. Is making a move to the downside, right? So this is what I will be expecting this market to do. I will be expecting it to move to the downside from here. I will expect it to move yeah, from this point to this trend line, and we are going to be seeing if it's going to break out of this or it's going to respect this zone in order for it to come up again for another retracement to the upside, right? So this move sorry, so this move is gonna go for about, it's just 24 pips. So you see, there's nothing much, so just 24 pips. Me personally, I will not go for this 24 pips, man. Not gonna go for it because that's just, you know, nothing. 24 pips, I don't usually go for 24 pips. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing on the this AUDCHF. So from here it might come up again to the upside or break out of this level to come down to this point, right? So once it breaks out of this, definitely it's gonna continue the move to the downside. So you just monitor this trade and see what is gonna happen, right? So it is very important for you to monitor your trade every time you're trying to check it, right? It is very, very important. So yeah, good morning, boss. Please check Euro NZD. Okay, I'll try and check Euro NZD as well. That's very good. That's very good. So all right, yeah, once more again, thank you very much for every one of you that has joined this live stream. Make sure don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also you know, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and follow us on our Facebook page as well. It is very, very important. Let's just be connected on all of our social media handles, right? So okay, yeah, there we go for that. And somebody is saying we should check Euro NZD, right? I'm coming, sorry, give me some seconds. All right, so yeah, okay, so I was trying to check my internet connection and things like that. All right, so somebody is saying that we should check Euro NZD, right? Let's go down and check Euro NZD. Euro NZD, I think this is it. Okay, so yeah, it took note of when I say, I think I've done this analysis, having it almost every day. I must do this analysis for you guys, right? I don't know why you guys just like this pair, and I don't know, you know, I didn't see anything to trade on this particular pair, to be honest, because it's not moving right now. It's not moving, and you see what is happening is making a move to the downside, right? So ever since from here, I said when it break out of this zone, it will come down and retest before it will come up to this level, right? Of course, I'm not seeing this particular pair breaking out of this structure. It's just, you know, continuing to move to the downside, and it is what it is, man. No need for you to be trading this pair at all. Stay off of it. That's why I say don't just focus on one single pair and trying to trade it. It's not must for you to just focus on one single pair. There are a lot of these currency pairs out there. You can trade them, right? You can trade them, not you just focusing on one single pair trying to monitor the move and things. What is the move that you are going to be monitoring on this particular pair, for Christ's sake? Come on, bro. How many pips is all of this? Even if I didn't, we sold it right here, how many pips would have gotten? Just gonna be 140. That's nothing much. 130. Okay, you can say it is kind of okay, right? But believe me, you know, this pair isn't moving at all. It's not moving. It's not moving. What I mean by it's not moving is that it will just continue to frustrate you without knowing what exactly to do, right? Despite the fact that it has been respecting this our trend line, moving to the downside, right? So no need for you to trade this particular pair, man. Just leave it where it is at the moment. Or I'm seeing some sort of a double, Tweezer's bottom trying to form here. So these are some sort of Tweezer's bottom. So we might say that it's gonna come back up to this level, right? Let me do something. It's gonna come back up to this level, right? So What if this level got broken? See this level here. See this level here. You have to wait for it to be broken. My goodness. Yeah. Once it breaks out of this is what is gonna happen. Come up to this level. Then once it breaks out of this, come up to this level. Then maybe possible retest. Then continue to move to the upside. But it must first of all see where it have to break. You see this line? It have to break out of that. It have to break out of this. And after it breaks out of this, it has to break out of this again. Then come up to this level and retest. Boom, before it continue to move to the upside. That is what is going to happen. You see that, right? So that's what I'm seeing on this Euro NZD. Euro NZD.
Is there something else I can help with?
Come on, Siri. I'm not talking to you, man.
Okay.
What's good? Yeah, cool, bro. I'm cool, man. I think GU will sell still. Let me check GBP USD, right? I'll try to check it. GU. Boss, what's the best leverage can use? One can use. Okay, yeah. Regarding leverage, you know, me personally, I like 1 to 200. 1 ratio 200 leverage. That's what I use, right? That's what I use. But if you want to try and flip account, you know, anytime that I want to flip account, I usually go for 1 to 1,000. 1 to 1,000. You get that, right? 1 to 1,000 if I want to flip an account. But on my main account, when I trade with very good risk management, you know, I usually go for 1 to 2. 1 to 200 leverage. That's what I use. 1 to 200, and that's the maximum. But I can still do 1 to 1. That's okay. But the maximum that I can go for is 1 to 200. But if I want to flip an account, I usually go for 1 to 1,000, man. That's crazy, right? All right. So it's because I just want to flip an account. That's why I do go for 1 to 1,000. Somebody said, holy shit, man. All right. So yeah, if I want to flip an account, man, I usually go for 1 to 1,000 because it will allow me to get in like crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it is. So somebody is saying, let's try to check GBP USD for them, right? All right. So this is what I'm seeing on Euro NZD, man. So if you have any question, just try to ask me. Hey, Israel, you know, what about this? What about that, right? So I can just answer you guys. But you know that today is Friday. I don't usually trade, right? So yeah, you guys know that I say you should set GBP USD stop loss to break even, and I'm out at break even already. So I don't know about you guys if you've already set your stop loss to break even, and if you set your stop loss to break even, definitely you are out with me, right? So it hit our first take profit, but was not able to go down and hit this second take profit, despite the fact that it has came down and attempted to hit the second take profit, right? But I have my trend line right here. Let me just get rid of all of this thing so that it will not be distracting us, right? Control Z. Let me get this out completely. So that it will not be kind of distracting us, right? Let me just leave this. So yeah, I say that if you set your stop loss to break even, like me, you know, you are supposed to be out of the market as well. Like, you know, I'm not in this GBP USD trade at the moment. So what I was trying to say is that, you see this my trend line this way, right? I plotted this trend line yesterday. And right now, you see what happened. The market came down to this my trend line, but was not able to break out of it and move to the downside, right? You see what happened? After coming down and retest this trend line, boom, try to move to the upside, right? Right now, it has come up for retracement. Yeah, it's still a good opportunity to sell this trade, man. Let me check something. Yeah, it will still be a good opportunity for us to sell it, but I'm not selling it at the moment because today is Friday. I don't usually trade that kind of much on Fridays, right? I don't trade that kind of much on Friday. So it has came up for retracement. Yeah, right now it will still go down to the downside. But let's see how this candle is going to close, and it's going to close in about 3 minutes from now. 3 minutes from now it's going to close, right? So yeah, you see what is happening at the moment. It will still go back down to the downside according to what I'm seeing, right? It will still go back to the downside. So we have to just monitor it if it happens that you want to trade this particular pair. Like I said earlier on that I don't usually trade on Fridays that kind of much. I might take either one or two trades, but I don't usually trade on Fridays because I know that the market is closing and things like that. So you see what is happening at the moment. Yeah, let's wait for this candle to close and we might start selling this pair again. It will still continue to sell. Let me check GJ. Okay, yeah, GJ now is still in profit. You guys know that I sent you guys the signal for GBP JPY yesterday, right? So yeah, GBP JPY about to still come down and hit our final take profit for 120 pips, but it's still reacting to this support level. See this zone right here. Remember I plotted this rectangle yesterday, saying that when it comes down to this level, it might react and start moving to the upside. That's why you see my second take profit is right here on the support, and our second take profit was triggered yesterday for about plus 50 pips, right? So it is very, very good for you to be monitoring what is happening on your trade, right? It is very, very important. Yeah, like I was saying, guys, give this video a thumbs up, man. Give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. It is very, very important, very, very important. So let's continue. So yeah, that's what I was saying. But GBP USD, I'm seeing that it's still going to sell. Let's see how far it can continue to move, right? Let's wait for the candle to close and for another candle to be formed, right? And right now we are about 1 minute, 2 minutes away in order for us to get into London market, right? So let's just exercise some patience and see how far can this GBP USD react to this particular zone, right? And of course I'm seeing that it's still gonna go back down to the downside. Let's see how far it goes. But most importantly, we need to break out of this trend line. We need to break out of this trend line. Remember, as I uploaded yesterday, now it's reacting to it, right? So let me check if you guys got another piece. Somebody saying, boss, what's the boss? Okay, yeah. Hi bro, what about volatility 75? That is V75, right? Okay, so I'll try and check V75 for you as well. I'll try and check V75, which is volatility 75, right? Volatility 75. All right, volatility 75. Okay, I'll check it, guys. Just wait a little bit so I can check it. So yeah, we are now in what do you call it? We are now in London session. Come on, man. So GBP USD is still trying to go back up to the upside, but let's see how far it can react right here before we start selling it, right? And of course it's still going to sell, man. It's going to sell. Let's see how far it reacts to this zone before we get into the market. I don't want us to get in and eventually maybe stop loss hit and things like that. So I might still risk maybe 0.5% of my account on this trade. So if I risk 0.5, nothing bad with it, right? So there we go. I'm selling this right now. I'm selling the GBP USD, risking 0.5%. Still using these same data. I will still use this. So there we go. Trying to sell it. Come on, man. Let me go and sell it. 0.5. I see 0.5 again. Okay, you can guess that maybe that's the lot size that I'm going to be using on my account, right? So I'll be risking 0.5% of my account, not even 1%. 0.5%. That's what I'm risking. on one of my accounts. Of course, not big accounts. Maybe I'll trade on my $5,000 account, right? So I'm risking 0.5%. Just sold it. Boom. Just sold it, risking 0.5%. So let me see. Boom. There we go. Risking 0.5%, man. So yeah, I don't know about you. Just sold it, risking 0.5% of my account. So it's reacting to this zone. Let's see what is going to happen right here. Let me go down to 1 hour time frame and see what is happening. Yeah, still for sure, man. All right. What about 5 minutes? All right. So just risk the 0.5%. I just risked 0.5% of my account, and let me still publish it on my trading view, right? Because I do publish all of this every time I do take trade live on YouTube. All right. So let me just set the parameters and things like that for you guys to know. So I'm gonna say, sorry, let me just set the parameters before we go ahead. GBP USD. This is GBP USD. Some of you guys are asking which pair is this, right? It is GBP USD. So I will say I sold GBP USD, right? I sold GBP USD, and around price, what's the price? 1.33691. That's the price. 1.33691. Yeah, I don't just getting crazy, guys. I don't trade that kind of much on Friday, so just be careful with your risk management, right? So be careful with that. Price 1.33691. So yeah, risking 0.5%. Because today is Friday, man, so don't risk too much of your accounts, so that you not be kind of lose that much. So you just risk a little bit, and you stay off. That is it. So we are still using same parameters here, using same parameters, same thing, everything is still the same. Let me set stop loss, take profit, and things like that. So we are risking 40 pips on this. You guys see, we are risking 40 pips to make 80 pips still. So the trade is still valid, right? Let's see where is okay, this is my entry point. Let me see, where is this? Okay. All right, I'm trying to set the stop loss and everything for you guys to know. So so it's trying to go back up now. Never mind, just some sort of retracement. Let me check. My entry point is 1.33691. 691. So let me check it out so that I can just say that this is my entry point. 1.33691 691. There we go. This is my entry point, right? So you see today's entry point is different from yesterday's entry points. This is it. Boom. So right now GU is just flying to the upside. Let's see how far it continues to move to the upside, right? Come on, man. All right, so this is it, trying to go back up. So we'll see what happens. See what happens. So let me just clear this so that we can have a clear vision of what's going on, right? Remember I said I'm risking 0.5% of my account. Not a big deal, man. Not a big deal. So it is what it is. Even if it hits stop loss, no problem. Today's Friday, so I don't usually trade that kind of much on Fridays, right? So yeah, stop loss is 40 pips. So let me, yeah, it's still 40 pips, and the parameters are still the same thing compared to yesterday's parameters, right? So I just sent it. Yeah, so that's the stop loss and take profit. So right now, let me just copy it and paste it right here. Copy, so I can just paste it. All right, so this is it, man. No cap about it, man. So yeah, if it is a stop loss hit, you guys know that today is not the first time that I will be having stop loss hit or things like that. I don't usually hide some things like this, man. I'll do it live and direct with you, right? And of course, I'm not praying that we should have a stop loss hit. No, I'm not praying for that. Because remember, I'm trading on my live account as well. And what we're going to be doing next is, let me see if I can put the, what else you call it. Let me copy this again, which is the stop loss and take profit. The parameters are there for us. Boom. So this is it. Stop loss, take profit, and things like that. Hope you guys can see it, right? That's cool, man. This is it. Trade with a good risk management. So let me lock this. Cool, man. So that is it. And let me copy this. I'll screenshot it. After screenshot it, then go and save it in my, where I do save them, in order for me to show you before and after of it later, right? And the next thing that I'm supposed to do is, let me just publish it. Let me publish it. GBP USD sell. Where is it? So I'll just say I'm expecting GBP USD to sell. I'm not going to say anything much or trying to explain what is behind all of this. I'm expecting GBP USD to sell finish, you know. I don't want to be saying a lot of things. um GBP USD, cool. That is it, which is short. Trend analysis. So this is gonna be trend line. There's not much of candlestick, and um Fibonacci, no. Pivot points, no. Not supply. Yeah, it is supply and demand. Supply and demand. GBP USD. um GBP USD. So yeah, some of you guys are saying, do I live stream all of my trade now? Nah, I don't do that, man. I'm just doing this because of Black Friday and because of the Thanksgiving, right? Thanksgiving week. That's why you see me coming live consistently. Not that I'm just giving you my signal or whatever. Next week I will shock you, man. I will shock you next week, man. So who trying to say? You guys are happy this week that okay, Israel now is just giving us signals and things like that, right? All right, that's good. Yeah, of course I do give you signals this week. So I'm not just giving you this signal so that you can say, okay, let me just relax. Israel is now there for me, giving me buy, sell, stop loss, take profit, and things like that, right? All right, man. Come on, bro. Next week I gotta shock you, bro. So this week it's just a Black Friday and Thanksgiving, you know, all this kind of stuff. That's why I say, okay, why not give you guys um signals in appreciation of, you know, you being part of the community, right? So that's how I can only give, like, show my appreciation to you guys by sending you all these signals and things like that, right? So it's just out of my heart. It's just out of my heart, man. Not that I'll just continuously be sending you guys about my signals and things like that. Never. Don't expect that, bro. Don't expect that. Don't expect that, man. So the only thing is that we should just kind of be aware of all these kind of things. What is it called? It these Thanksgivings and, you know, many more. So yeah, let's see what is going to happen right here. So now we are in some sort of drawdowns, right? We are in some sort of drawdowns, and the drawdown is for how many pips is this? Let me see how many pips is this at the moment. For about 11 pips, you know, for about 11 pips. So let's see if it continues to go up to the upside and hit the stop loss and things like that. So let me set stop loss on my account, man. Let me set stop loss and take profit on my account so that I will not be left behind, right? Because I trade as you guys do so as well. So I have to be kind of you know, putting my stop loss, take profit, and things that like that as well. So stop loss is 1.34069, right? 34069. False take profit is 3360. 60. And same thing with this. Stop loss is 34069. Second take profit is 33159. 159. Then same thing with the third position. Stop. Okay, let me check something. Okay, I've updated those. Okay, yeah, so stop loss is 134069. Okay, final take profit 132858. 858. All right, there we go. So I'm ready on my account at the moment. I'm ready on my account, man. Fully ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. So let's see how far it can move. Let's see how far it can move. So yeah. So just that I forgot to be putting like Black Friday, Thanksgiving, live forex trading and things like that on these live streams, right? So let me just edit it and put like Thanksgiving or, Black Friday, right? It is very, very important. Thanksgiving forex trading. So you see the title of this video is going to change soon. So I'm just coming live because of all these Thanksgiving and things like that, man. Not that I just want to be uh, giving you all of my trade and nah, come on, man. I'm not gonna do that for now. So yeah, somebody's saying NZD and things like that. So yeah, there we go on GBP USD. I'm in a sell at the moment, and these are the parameters right here, right now, together with you, right? So let me just shift this to the upside a little bit. Like this, I sold so something, right? And shift this again to the upside so that you can have clear vision of what's going on. So yeah, there we go, man. There we go. So yeah, other than that, after setting them up, yeah, after setting up, let me go down to NZD CHF. Somebody is saying I should check NZD CHF. Where's NZD CHF? This is it, right? All right. So NZD CHF, I was expecting a sell on it as well. Yeah. So right now, don't trade it for now. What are you supposed to do? Wait for it to react to these levels. Don't trade. Don't get in for the sell at the moment. Where's that's my rectangle? So you see that? Let's see if it will come up to this level. I remember this 1 hour time frame, this 4 hour time frame. So most importantly, let's wait for it to break out of this trend line. You see this trend line, right? I drew this just because of if I go down to lower time frames, I'm going to see the bigger picture of it. You see that? Boom. Respecting it to go to the upside. So let's wait for it to break out of this trend line first before we can now know, okay, it's ready to go down to the downside or to the upside, right? But most importantly, let me draw my zone right here, meaning that it is a ranging market, right? This is a ranging market at the moment. So that's the reason why I'm indicating that, or that's the reason why I'm drawing this to take note of it that it is my ranging market, right? So it is very, very important for you to draw all these kind of things so that you can understand what to expect when the market goes up to these levels, right? So you see all of this. You see all of this. So let's see what is going to happen on this particular pair. But right now, if you follow my advice, don't trade it. Don't trade it at the moment. Wait for next year, next week. I mean next year. Come on, man. What's wrong with me? Next year before you start trading. Come on, bro. Sorry for that anyway. So I meant to say next week, right? Next week, not next year, man. Come on, bro. So yeah, that is it. I will be expecting you to sell maybe starting from next week. But as of now, don't enter this trade right now. So that's the advice that I can give you, and that is what I'm saying on this pair being NZD-CHF. So right now, which other pair do we have? Somebody is saying Okay, NZD 1 to 1000. Yeah, for sure, man. I use 1 to 1000. Yeah, just a quick reminder before we continue. If today is the first time right here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel and write on the pinned comment or pinned comments. You know, I did share our Instagram page link, Twitter, and Facebook. So you just join us so that we can be connected on all of our social media handles, right? It is very, very important. So make sure you do that right now. So yeah, guys, let's continue with what we are supposed to be doing. So right now, I'm just in GBP USD. That was the new trade that we took today, right? So the next thing that we're supposed to do, let's try to check some other pairs. Somebody is saying which pair is this? Is GBP USD? Somebody is saying okay, NZD USD. Okay, right. We'll try and check NZD USD. So let me see where NZD USD is. Somebody just commented on this. Let me see. Or the person commented on this. What the person is saying, so that I can just take note of this, right? The person has a premium something. He said that, come on, man. Where's the comments? Is this the comments? Nah, that's not the comments, bro. And this is my account, man. Let me check the ID. Okay, the person is saying your chat is very splendid, thanks. Oh wow, I appreciate it, man. I don't know you, but I appreciate it. This is the person's account. I appreciate it, man. I don't know him. He has just a shout out for him. Shout out for him, bro. He has a premium this thing, but I don't know if he has a lot of things on his accounts. Let me check it out. If he's doing a great job, right? Which one is this? ETC, BTC, Atom. Nah, come on, man. I think the person is just trading a lot of things. Let me see. He trades Forex 45%. He trades cryptocurrencies about 44%. Oh my goodness. I don't trade cryptocurrency that much, man. So he trades Forex 45%. So it is what it is. Yeah, shout out for him. That is his account, right? So he just made a comment, you know. I just felt like, okay, I'm trying to check him out. All right, somebody saying NZD USD, right? Sorry for that. All right, so this is same thing with NZD USD, man. Don't get into this trade. You know, you remember when I said that NZD USD might come up to this level first before it will start to sell, right? You remember in our last analysis, I did spoke of it. So it will come up to this level before it will start to fall. And remember, I went all the way back to when was that? 2000 something, you know, to spot out the high of this level. You see, this was 2018. So NZD USD has not gone up high all the way to this point where it is at the moment since 2018. You see that? Since 2018, it is very obvious. You see, you know, this is the resistance line that I spot out, and it was 2018. That was January 2018, man. So ever since January 2018, NZD USD has not gone up high all the way to this point like this ever since then. So right now, when it comes to this level, I will start to expect NZD USD to come back down for another move to the downside, and it's gonna be for like long-term move, but not that kind of much. It might go up for about 250 pips. So let's see how far it reacts next week. So all of this is gonna be a next week trade, not this week, right? So it is very important for us to just take note of all of these things that is happening. You see, you can go all the way back down and check out for your support or resistance so that you can trade it long term, right? You guys know that I'm a swing trader. Most of my trades are for swing trading, not scalping, not just you know, just scalp the market for some minutes or some hours, right? So That's the reason why you see me considering what is happening, or I mean what has happened way back years ago. So I usually take them back so that I can be taking note of what am I going to be expecting on all of them, right? So that is it, man. That is it. Just take note of them. Take note of them. So yeah, the next pair that we have here, somebody is saying USD card. All right, I'll check USD card, and the person that is saying volatility 75. Not that I didn't see your comments, I see it, so I'm just following it, like step by step, right? I'm following it step by step so that I will not just forget somebody else request. I just want to please all of you guys that are coming to this channel, so that because this my mission here is to unblock Forex secret, right? So if I didn't fulfill my promise, definitely you can blame me for that, because I'm not able to do what I say I can do, right? So I'm trying to prove to you guys that, okay, I'm literally unblocking the Forex secret for you so that you can be profitable in the market, like some of us are profitable in the Forex market, right? So it is very important for you to understand that, okay, Israel is here trying to help us out. So make sure you pay much attention to what I'm teaching you guys on this channel. If you can't just pay much attention, that means no need of you coming to the channel trying to watch the video and things like that. Make sure you are picking up one or two things right here in this channel. It is very, very, very important. Very, very important, man. Very important. So make sure you do what I say, and before you do it, prove it to yourself that it's working, right? Because I've proven it to myself that it is working. That's why I do teach you guys on this channel live and direct. So that's it, man. That's it. And I appreciate your presence right here, man. I really appreciate it. You are the best, bro. You are the best. I love you. I love you so much. You are the family, man. You are amongst my family, because right here I don't have nobody, just have the channel, and I have you guys as a community. I just want to let you know that I appreciate your presence right here, and I love what I'm doing, because I do this for a living. So I do this for a living. I don't have any other job to do. I don't have nothing. I spend much of my time here, right here in my studio, doing analysis and a lot of things. I trade on my live accounts. Once I trade it, there's nothing for me to be bragging. Hey, I made this, and I'm just sharing it for motivational purpose, so that you can know how far we've gone in the Forex market and what are the best opportunities are there for you. Can you able to make it in the Forex market, right? So that's the reason why I do share all these kind of things. Not that me just trying to brag and things like that. Nah, man, I'm not trying to brag. I'm just sharing the kind of possibilities are here in the Forex market. Just try and understand all these kind of things, bro. So yeah, let's go down to NZD. Okay, I've checked NZD USD. Which other pair do we have? Which one do you have? We have somebody is saying, okay, USD card. Let me check USD card. USD card should be here. USD card. This is it. So USD card right now, like I said earlier on, almost every time I'm just kind of repeating all of this analysis, right? So USD card, it will still come down to this level before it start coming up to the upside, man. This is what USD card is gonna do. Remember, in our last video, or last, was it last what is it call it? Was it last analysis or last live stream? I think we made mention of all of these things, right? We made mention of it. I did the analysis for USD card like this, and I said that we should wait for it to come down to this level before it goes up to the upside again. So this is what I'm saying on USD card. That is what I'm saying. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it. So the next thing that we are having right here, let me check which other pair we have. Somebody is saying volatility 75. Okay, all right, that's cool. But before we go, let me check the GBP USD and see how far is it doing. Where is it? GBP USD. All right. Let me see. Oh, come on, man. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Come on, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Now we are in profit. We are in profit of how many pips is this? Come on, bro. We are in profit of about 13 pips in profit. 13 pips in profit, man. 13 pips in profit. 13 pips in profit. Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Come on. Hope you guys are enjoying this trade. Live and direct trading with you. So there's no cap about it, man. I don't do fake things here, bro. I do what I say I can do, and I prove it to you, right? I prove it to you that I can do it. And I'm doing it right here with you, live and direct. Live and direct. We are doing it. So we are doing it, man. We are doing it. So sorry guys, let me update some people with this what is it call it? Let me go and screenshot it so that I can just um tell them, right? Trying to help out some people as well. Let me just send it to them so that they can. Let me share it to them and so that they can understand what we are saying, right? Um, so yeah, there we go. There we go, man. All right, let me check it out. Come on, bro. So yeah, let's wait for it to come down and hit our first take profit, right? First TP, first TP. So somebody was asking of volatility 75, right? Volatility 75. This is volatility 75 for our time frame. You guys know that I usually trade for our time frame. So right now, volatility 75 is gonna go back up to the upside, right? Come on, man. Some people are making it already. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I appreciate it. I appreciate the move, man. Some people are just 20 something pips in profit in our live for. Let me show you guys our ITT premium group chart, right? ITT premium group chart. You see, somebody's already making about a lot of money on GU, right? One of our students, he is around 20 something pips in profit at the moment. So you see this, he is making around 20 pips in profit. That's cool, man. That's cool. So kind of like the move, bro. I like it. So I appreciate it, man. Let me go back down to the chart. So this is volatility 75, and this is for our time frame. So I'm expecting just to quick let me just summarize it. I'm expecting volatility 75 to go to the upside. I'm expecting it to buy. And remember, you guys would have been used to how I do trade. I'm not just trading to get in, get out, get in, get out, man. I don't do that. To get in, get out, get in, get out. Nah. I don't try to do that, bro. Even if you use your Fibonacci retracement, you'll see what happens. Oh my goodness, I don't have my settings right here. Not gonna do that. I don't have my settings right there. So it is what it is, man. I don't have my settings. So yeah, I'm expecting you to buy all the way to this point right here. Remember, I said that I'm not a scalper. So maybe if you see that the market is now coming down to the downside, and you'll be thinking, oh my goodness, Israel says it's going to buy, and why the market is selling. Don't expect the market to instantly be in profit. Of course, we do see that without any drawdown, but Don't expect the market to always do something like that, right? Never do that. So easy, I will expect it to come up to this level. That's what I'm expecting this market to do. And remember, this is 4-hour time frame. Let's go back to 1-hour time frame and see. So this is 1-hour time frame. You see that? So go back up, man. To go back up. And if you're not sure if it will go back up or not, you can put your trend line this way and wait for it to break. Once it breaks, then wait for it to kind of retest it again. To do something like this, huh? To do something like this. Then what's gonna happen next? You still have some levels right here. So this is what can happen. Just trying to give you guys the basics of all of these things. This is what is gonna happen. Boom. Come up to the upside. You see that? Then you got it right on this level. That's how it is. That's how it is, man. There's nothing much about this. No magic. Nothing. Just have your 4 to 5 signal confluences. Then you get into the market. So I'm expecting volatility 75 to go to the upside from here once this trend line go broken. That's what I'm seeing on volatility 75. So don't be scared with GU right now. GU is just some sort of going up for retracement. It will still go back down to the downside, man. It will still go back down to the downside. Just trying to get out all these people that, used to come back in and retail traders. I'm trying to explain it, but I should just go straight and say retail traders, right? Retail traders, that's how they do it. So this is the highest of the day now. It's trying to go back down to the downside. Of course, it will go back down. So that's how it is. And just take notes that today is Friday. We don't trade that kind of much, man. We don't trade much. Today is Friday. So this might be the last trade that we are taking for the day, right? So yeah, that's it, man. That's it. So yeah, come on, man. Some people in the group are just making comments. They are eating money, right? So yeah, this is what I'm seeing on this GBP/USD. It will still go back down to the downside. No panicking, nothing. To still go back down to hit our first and second take profit, right? Just keep that at the back of your mind so that we can see how far it goes. Yeah, man. So what I got saying, so I've checked the GBP/USD, checked the volatility 75 and things like that. I mean ITT. Oh, that's cool, man. Yes, sir. Which pair is this? GBP/USD. I'm selling GU now, bro. Yeah, come on, man. You can sell it, right? Have you had a losing week with your signal group? Now, we haven't had a losing week. They can testify right here. No negative week. So ever since I started this channel, I started premium and VIP. We haven't heard of any negative week. No negative week. The least pips that we've heard so far, it was 168. I think so. It was 168. That was last week. Let me show you, man. No cap about this. We don't hide things here, bro. I don't hide it. I don't hide anything. So that was when was that? So let me just show you. This is the premium group chart. Let me see. Total pips gained. Total pips. Okay, I think this was. Okay, this one from 16th of November to 20th of November. Yeah, this was it. Hope you guys can see this, right? So this is the list that I have heard so far with my students and with my VIP students. 162 pips for the week. This is the least, this is the least week I've heard. I haven't heard of anything less than 150 pips. Nah, I haven't heard of it. So 162 pips was the least I've heard, and the week was very bad for me. 162 pips, the week was very bad. We usually trade 500 pips, 400 pips, 300 pips, and things like that. So that is it. And There we go. I don't hide things here, man. And you can ask them if whether true or not we took this particular trade in our VIP and premium channel. You can ask them. They are here live and direct with you. I'm not going to be answering it. They should ask. They should answer because they can testify to what I'm doing, bro. So yeah, that is it, man. So some people are just making money. Good shit. We all gonna keep flipping. That is it, man. So let me go back down to where we are right now. So just forget about what GBPUSD is doing. It's gonna go back down in profit, man. So no cap with this. No cap with this. So right now, let's see how far it can move, right? Let's see how far it can move. It's gonna still go back down to be in profit. This is just okay. I think for our candle about to close, something like that. But we still have 1 hour 70 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, or 4 hour candle to close. So it will still be in profit, bro. Don't just panic. But me personally, I'm risking 0.5% of my account on this trade. I'm risking 0.5%. So yeah, it will still go back down, bro. Let me check which other pair that you want me to start analyze. Yeah, GJ will still continue the move down, man. GJ will still continue the move. GJ, right? GJ will still continue the move, bro. Somebody agree with that. All right. GJ, it will still continue the move. You see that? It will still sell, man. It will still sell to go down to our final take profit. Final take profit right here. It will come down. Believe me, next week you will see that GJ will finally come back down to our final take profit. That is it, man. And which other pair? Okay, let me just put it on GU. So this is GU now, is around break even, trying to be in profit for some something. So I might hold this GU to next week. Let's see what is gonna happen. But nah, I'm not gonna hold it to next week, man. So somebody saying CHF JPY in a retracement. Please take a look at that pair. All right. All right. Let me check the what does it call it? Somebody is saying CHF JPY. I'm seeing a buy on CHF JPY, man. It's just a retracement. All these moves are regarded as a retracement, not a valid move to continue the move to the downside, right? So this is just some sort of retracement coming back down. It will still go up to the upside, but maybe from next week before it continues the move to the upside, right? So that's it. But you know, we took 100 and something pips on this week. We took around 110 pips on this CHF JPY, man. So that's how we do it, and that is it. So let me go back down to see what you guys are saying about all of these things, right? Okay, somebody's saying so GU on the 15 minutes has broke above structure or statue. I think it's structure that I want to write, right? On the V75 USD card, I've checked USD card. So bro, what about CHF JPY? I've already checked CHF JPY. It's our swing trade. Is it retracing? Yeah, it's just a retracement. That's it. What's up, bro? How are you doing, man? Panax, right? Come on. Sorry if I did not pronounce your name very well. It is what it is, man. So Panax, yeah, I think it's Panax something. What's up, man? What's up, man? How are you doing? So somebody saying hold the fee training session. Hold the fee, free or fee? Free training session with the YouTube community this week. Okay, this weekend. All right, I was trying to do that, man, for the Thanksgiving, right? I'm trying to do that. Somebody saying hi, bro. Come on, how are you doing? Aaron from India. Thank you very much, bro. You know, all of you guys that are from India, I really appreciate your presence right here, man. I love Indian people, you know. I love you guys. And I don't know if you guys will allow me to marry one of your daughters, so that you know, never mind. Maybe you guys don't want black man to marry your fellow Indian, right? So it is what it is, man. Sorry, bro. I'm kind of saying this on YouTube. It is what it is. So yeah, somebody saying, bro, you got saints. You've really helped us, bro. God bless you. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it, and you know, that's how it is. That's how it is, man. Somebody saying check GA. All right, I'll check GBP AD right now. Check GBP AD. So that is what somebody is saying. I should check GBP AD, right? GBP AD. Come on. This is GBP AD. All right, GBP AD is gonna go back down, man. It's gonna go back down as well. But monitor it. Here's where GBP AD is gonna go. But don't just trade much this week. Don't trade much this week. Trade maybe one, or because this GU that I took right now, that's my last trade for the week, man. That's my last trade for the week. I'm not going to trade anything again. And for this week so far, I've been generous to you guys, you know. I've been generous to you guys because of Thanksgiving. We deserve happiness and we deserve money in our bank account, right? That's why I say, okay, why not for the whole week in order for us to appreciate your presence right here on my channel and things like that? Why not give you a live stream for the whole week? So if it is a losing trade, you know, we should just you know, kind of take it. If it is a losing trade, we take it. If it is a winning trade, we take it. And of course, this week so far, it has been a tremendous week. So far, so good. No negative trade, right? We don't know about GBP USD that we just took. So, but for the whole trade that we took, you know what is happening. We've been in a positive trade, man. All have been a positive trade. So, it is what it is. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So right now, I'm still holding this trade, bro. Still holding it so that we can keep on riding it to all the way back down to our first and second take profit, right? And finally our third take profit. But we will try to see what is going to happen before the market closes. I will keep on monitoring this trade and updating you guys regarding this GBP USD trade, right? So let me just zoom out or zoom in one. Okay, zoom in. All right, hopefully now you guys can see everything that is happening on this. So let me go back down and check your comments, what you guys are saying, so that I can just keep in touch with you guys, right? Still on GJ, yeah, for sure. Check GA, bro. XRP USD. I don't trade crypto that kind of much, but let me check XRP, right? Yeah, let me just check XRP. I think XRP is supposed to go up for the buy whatsoever. Let me just check it out. Cryptocurrency. I like to use Coinbase. This is okay. All right, yeah, it's gonna go back down, man. It has been going up to the upside and things like that. All right. So XRP, based on the technical analysis, it's gonna go back down to the downside. So this is what you are supposed to be waiting on this. This is XRP, and I'm just on 1 hour time frame. Since it is 1 hour, this is how the color is gonna be, right? That is it. So what are you supposed to be doing? You are supposed to wait for it to break out of this. You see what I did, right? So this was early. This was 17 November 2020 as well. So you see what is happening on XRP right now? XRP will continue the move, man. So the next thing that you're supposed to wait on this XRP is Let me check something. So, yeah, and I'm gonna change the color to this because this is 1 hour time frame. So you see what is happening on XRP right now. This is it. No, I'm not gonna put it right there because I need to have the most touches possible, at least 2 of them, before my trend line is valid, right? So you see that trying to go back down to the downside. So this is what is gonna happen on XRP, man. You see this retracement, boom, move, boom, boom. You see that? Come on, bro. This is what is gonna happen on XRP. So I'll expect you to sell all the way to where to around price 0.3090. 0.3090. That's what I'm seeing on this XRP. So that's what I'm seeing on that. Then from there, what is going to happen next? Right? So from there, it might continue to move to the downside, but right now this is what I'm seeing on it, right? That is it, bro. That is so right now it's trying to come back for retracement before it will continue to move to the downside. That's how it is. So let me go and see. Okay, let me go back down to my GU. So I'm on GU still. So GU is just, playing around break even at the moment. So let's see how far it continues to play around this zone. But definitely it will move to the downside, man. It will move to the downside. So it is what it is. And let me see what you guys got. So somebody is saying what is that? XRP, okay. Thoughts on NZD card? We bought it a few days ago. Time for sale. Let me see. NZD card. Okay, this is NZD card. Nah, not the right time to sell right now. You see that it's still pushing to the upside after our final take profit hit, right? Which was for 50 pips. You see, I still have my analysis here, man. I haven't deleted everything. I don't usually delete my analysis. If it is a stop loss hit, definitely you have to see it, man. You see it, right? But right now, as you see, boom, continue to move to the upside, and we bought this live on this on YouTube, right? We did a live stream, and we bought it right here. So let me go down to 4-hour time frame. Zoom out. Oh yeah, you see this is the high that has happened since March 2019. So it might come up to this level before it will start move to the downside, and this is 4-hour time frame. I'll change the color to be like that because this is 4-hour time frame, right? So you see that I will still expect it to there's a possibility of it to push up to that level, but not now. How many pips is this? This is about 150 pips right here. So we will try and see what is going to happen. Though all of these moves are going to happen next week, right? It's going to happen next week, not this week, because the week is over already. So in about 14 hours, yeah, in about 13 hours, the market will close. The market will totally close in about 13 hours from now. So there's no much time, man. Not much time. So that's why I don't usually get in to so many trades on Friday, because I don't want to just close all of my trade being in negative for the week, right? I don't want to do that. So that is what I'm seeing on this NZD card. So yeah, GU is trying to go back down again to be in profit, right? So let's just be patient, man. Be patient and wait for whatever the market is going to do. That's how it is. Wait for whatever the market is going to do. No cap, no cap, no cap. So we do it, man. We do it live and direct with you. And somebody is saying, Lamau, yeah, bro, come on, man. You don't want to give me your daughter, right? Indian, Yeah, to be honest, guys, I love you guys, man. I love you guys. So, I can't wait to just travel for vacation to India. So all of my Indian fans, come on, man. I will have to meet you guys in person so that we can trade maybe for 1 day or 2 days, right? I'll definitely I'll travel to all of these countries where you guys are from, and I'll just be updating you guys, right? And somebody's saying free not fee. Okay, all right, got it, bro. We're trying to see if we can organize free training on YouTube this week, right? Thank you. I have learned so much. God bless you, sir. Thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate it. And it is my mission and goal for me to unblock the Forex secret for you. I'm exposing all of this big brand secret and how you can be profitable in the market. So Israel, bless up. His membership is totally worth it. You make the money back and much more. Oh wow, that's very good, man. Thank you very much for that, bro. Thank you very much for your recommendation. So that's it, man. One thing about me. What I just believe in is that some people might just keep on depositing money into with their broker, right? They keep on depositing money and they keep on blowing their account. So why not pick up that particular money, invest in yourself? You are not just paying me your money because I want to take away your money or move out with your money. Now, man, as you guys, as this man said, you make your money back, bro. And I'm not just guaranteeing you that, okay, you're going to make your money back. Nah, it's all up to you if you want to make that money back. Because my goal is just to like help you how you can be a profitable and how you can easily make it in the Forex market. That's my goal here. So I'm not just promising you that, okay, you got to make money once you join to my group. Never, never, man. I'm not promising you that. I don't promise you, okay, you're going to make money if you join my group and things like that. Never, bro. Don't expect me to say that. And I'm not saying you got to make money as soon as you join my group. Never, never, man. The only thing is that I can just direct you, like mentor you how to do it in the market as well. So let me just continue checking what you guys are saying. Okay, somebody saying, what country are you in? Yeah, I'm in Nigeria, man. I'm Nigerian. So somebody is saying, let me check it out. Think AUDNZD will start by next week. Let me check it, bro. Let me check it right away. AUDNZD, right? AUDNZD, I think this is it. So AUDNZD, I think I still have my analysis on it. So you see, this is the analysis I have on AUDNZD, but I did not take this trade. I haven't executed on my account. Definitely next week it might start to buy. So this is where AUDNZD will go. So from here to the upside is gonna be like 120 pips. So we're trying to see how far we can trade it next week, right? We're trying to trade it next week as well. So you see what is happening on AUDNZD, right? So I'm taking note of all these moves. I do take note of it. So if you're one of my students, I just taught you guys on why I do this yesterday, right? Yeah, yesterday if you were live on Zoom, I spoke about all of these things yesterday in our Zoom call. And if you are not live, I have the record. I sent it to our premium channel. You can go and check it out. I spoke about all of these things. So we're trying to see how far we can move with this next week. And that's it, man. That's it. So we should just keep on monitoring our trade and things like that, right? It is very, very important. And Nigeria to the world. Yeah, man. No, you're not my Chiamaka. Oh, Chiamaka, how you doing? Chiamaka is an Igbo name, right? It's an Igbo name. Yeah, I'm Nigerian. I'm Nigerian. Confirm Nigerian. Come on, man. We don't hide things, Yeah, I'm Nigerian, man. So that's it. So we are still on this GBP USD, still trying to play around, break even at the moment, and of course no need to be scared of the market or things like that. I'm still in it. I'm still in it. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So you should just be patient and wait for this particular pair to be in profit very soon, right? So that's it. No cap, no cap. We do what we say we can do. So that's it, man. It's just in some sort of drawdowns. No drawdowns of so many pips or things like that. Nah, just get into 2 pips in drawdown, man. So we should just wait for it to be in profit very soon. Because I believe that it's gonna be in profit, bro. Yeah, I believe that. I believe it. So let's just wait for it to eventually be in profit, right? Because that is how it is. All right, so that's it. That's it for GBP USD. Like I said earlier on, that we don't trade much these days, and I'm not willing to kind of get into so many trades right now. So that is the last trade that we are going to be taking this week, right? So I'm not going to waste so much time here today. So far so good. We are able to make around 1 hour 23 minutes, right? 1 hour 23 minutes. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Ebuka, all right, man. Oh my goodness, a lot of Igbos are here, bro. Come on, man. That's it. That's it. So we are here. We are fighting same poverty situation, man. We have to fight it so that it can flee from us. We want it to flee from us, not come to us, right? We are not friendship. There's nothing like friendship with poverty, man. Poverty is not friend of nobody. I don't tolerate uh, poverty whatsoever. Don't tolerate it. So yeah, that's it. If you have any more question, we got about 7 minutes left for me to call it a day. 7 minutes left, guys, because my intention was just to come live and do like 1 hour 30 minutes today, because it is very very important for me to just come and update you on what is gonna happen, because we are still in this Thanksgiving and Black Friday, man. So this is the only way that I can appreciate your presence right here, is just to come live on YouTube and trade it with you. You know, this week has been a great week so far, and we've been taking a lot of pips, right? We've been taking it, and you guys are eating off of it, right? So thank you very much for your presence. I really appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. So yeah, man. Right now, GU is, trying to be in profit. Trying to be in profit. Trying to be in profit, bro. So if you have any question, ask me. We got about 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left, man. 6 minutes left before we continue. It is very, very important. Just ask, there's nothing like, say you are ashamed of asking question, or you don't want to ask question. Come on, man. Anything that you don't understand in the market, I'm ready to answer you this week. And right now, we have just about 5 minutes left for us to wrap things up. So we'll wrap it up and we can call it a day. Then next week, we will try and see if we will still come back live and things like that, right? Because I've been so generous this week, man. So come on, G is just playing around, break even at the moment. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. And of course, I'm still expecting it to continue the move to the downside. So let's just wait for it to be in profit. Let's just wait for it to be in profit. So yeah, make sure you guys do follow us on Instagram, follow us on what does it call it, free Telegram channel, Twitter, our Facebook page, and things like that. The links to them, I've pinned it on top of all comment, right? I've pinned it right now. So that's it. Bye when I wake up. All right, man. That's good. Have a nice day, bro. Have a nice day. I appreciate your presence here, man. So yeah, that's it. That's it. So we got about 4 minutes left for us to wrap things up. Yeah. So you're just playing around this zone at the moment. For sure, it will be in profit. It will be in profit. Let's just continue to monitor it and see what is going to happen on it. So no panicking, nothing, because it will still come back down to the downside. And remember, I say I'm risking 0.5% of my account on this, right? 0.5% of my account. That is what I'm risking on this this particular trade that we took. So it's all about good risk management, man. All about good risk management. That is it. All about it, man. Just wait for it. Wait for it. So volatility 75 is yet to break out of this structure before it continues to move to the upside, right? So just be patient while the market is doing what you are expecting to do, right? Because that is how it is. That is how it is, man. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. So let me check GBP card. Something like that, right? Where is GBP card? Okay, all right, this is it. Okay, GBP card will fly to the downside as well. Yeah, but not much. Oh my goodness, I've seen a lot of, oh, here's a perfect candlestick pattern here, man. Yeah, it's kind of fast. Let me zoom in. Now zoom out. Zoom out. Nah, that's not valid candlestick pattern. It is not valid. So this is not valid evening star. This is an evening star, but it is not valid one. So it is what it is. This is an evening star, man. If you know what I mean. This is an evening star, and I trade it a lot. So, but this is not the valid one. It's not valid. I regard this as invalid evening star, you know. So that is it. You have to understand how we trade them. It's very important, right? Very important. So now, yeah, we are in profit on GBP USD at the moment. Let's wait for it to continue to push to the downside, huh? Let's continue for it to wait and push to the downside, right? That's it, man. That's it. So all you have to do is just do a very good risk management on all of the trade that you are getting in. So yeah, man, I appreciate your presence right here. It is a time for me to call it a day. Yeah, it's not on the key area, man. It's not in the key area. That's why I regard it as an invalid what does it call it, invalid evening star. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for your time and everything. So far so good. We've done 1 hour 30 minutes, and right now I will continue to update you no matter how it is. You know, the funny part of forex trading is that with your phone you can monitor your trade, man. So everywhere I go, you know, my phone is with me. So anything that happens, I will let you know, guys. You know, I will just let you know on our channel, free channel, premium channel, VIP channel. I do update you guys on whatsoever that is happening in the market. I do update you. And of course, this week I did not follow fundamentals that kind of much because I just felt like there's not much fundamentals this week, right? And of course, there's not much of it. That's why the market, kind of follow technical analysis, and price action was kind of moving very well this week, right? So yeah, that's it. And right now, I can wish every one of you have a good day, good night, good morning, whatsoever. I appreciate your presence. I really appreciate it. And I mean it, man. I mean it. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye, guys. Stay safe out there. All right, man.